VERU stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just observing Veru Incorporated stock is at 97 cents, 15.6% up. And just observing this, I'll be the first one to say market caps 142 million. It's not that bad. Generally speaking, this penny stock has already started picking up, for the first break, and I'm very biased towards the bullish side. I've done 35,000 videos, I've spent thousands of courses, mentors over the last 4 years. And you're watching these people that have been doing this for 2 months, they're trying to get you inside their $50 per month Patreon. Now here I'm calling things out myself. And I've been doing this for 4 years, using common factors analysis and spending a lot of money on mentors. I've figured out what's my best approach, the simple lean way that I call it. And if you want to make more money using that simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. That's their free newsletter. That's all I am gonna actually promote you. And as I see the first break, I'm starting to get really excited because this is a great sign of potentially something really, really big. And how would I know whether this is going to be really, really big? Because if the price pulls down and then gives me a proper double break again. So I'm not going to force anything. I'm obviously going to continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.